Santos. If you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos update. By the way guys, this video is sponsored by Used Tools. As you remember guys, I already featured Used Tools in my channel before. Used Tools is a hardware brand from China with a history of 21 years. Now again, we're going to have a chance to try their other tools. So for today's video, we're going to build a pegboard for hand tools and power tools. So first, we need a 1/4 plywood and cut it in 66 by 160.5 centimeters. We will also cut a 4 centimeter thick 3/4 plyboard for brace and support. We will going to use this Used Tool circular saw. This has a 1500 watts power. Upon using this tool, I noticed that this is a heavy duty product. Thick solid wood will be easy to cut using this. And now we will going to make a graph. Each spacing is 1 square inch. We will going to use Used Tools cordless impact drill and a 6mm wood drill bit. This drill has a function of drilling, drill drive, and impact. And it's also equipped with 4.0 ampere battery. This tool is also for heavy duty works. As I mentioned in the previous video, Used Tool battery has a longer battery life. This took me almost 2 hours to finish it. After drilling, sand it with 100 grit sandpaper. Now we will install the 4 cm braces. This will help the board to make it sturdy. By the way, I am using a Used Tool hammer and 1-inch finishing nail. Now it's ready for painting and I'm going to paint it color white para bumagay naman ito sa paglalagyan natin. We will now drill the marked holes using used tool rotary hammer. We will now install the pegboard pins and hooks. So yun lang guys, ganito na muna yung pagkaayos for now, saka ko na lang aayusin. And may plan pa ako gumawa ng tool table dito para mas maganda tignan. So yun lang, hope you like this video. Bye!